Today I'm showing you how to make cured egg yolks. If you've been around the channel for a while, you'll have seen the tutorial I did for this like 3 years ago, but I somehow accidentally deleted it, so we're doing a do-over. To make these, you'll need salt and egg yolks. You can add extra seasonings and spices to the salt cure, but I'm just going to keep this super simple. Pour a layer of salt into the base of the pan and level it out. Then, using the back of a spoon, make little round divots in the salt. I'm just using a tablespoon here because it's nice and round, but use whatever spoon you've got on hand. Next, you're just going to separate the egg whites from the yolks. And gently tip the yolks into the little round divots. We're going to gently cover the yolks with a layer of salt, making sure to cover them completely so that there's no yellow showing. Then place this in the fridge for 48 hours to cure. You can leave them to cure for a little bit longer if you want, but I find that the 2-day mark is usually pretty good. After the 2 days, remove the yolks from the salt and dust off as much as you can with your fingers or a pastry brush. Then carefully rinse off the excess salt in cool water. From here, we're going to dehydrate the yolks and firm up their texture a bit by placing them on a rack in an oven preheated to 150 degrees Fahrenheit or 65 degrees Celsius for 1.5 to 2 hours. When ready, the yolk should have the texture of almost a Grana Padano or a Gruyere style cheese. And to serve them, you can grate the yolks over salads or over things like grilled asparagus, and you can also add them to dressings and sauces. I find that the cured yolks lend the same sort of salty, slightly umami flavor that Parmesan does to dishes. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, consider subscribing and connecting with us on Instagram at chefstudio_.